Now, I hope I gave one down here. Well, actually, I think all your classwork comes out even. I'm trying to think, did I give you any that you had to round? I know we don't like to round, but sometimes you have to. And so, but I think all of yours come out even. We'll have to check that when we get ready to check them. Okay, so that's the split right there on interior angles, total. Here's your formula, and then one of them. And it's a lot to digest. Let's do inside compared to outside. Let's look at exterior angles. So you need it's the one that's got angles on it. Is it the pink one? Yeah. You need the pink one, and we're going to put it right here. Now, I wish I had time for you to be able to wade through this to see what's going to happen, because it's kind of interesting as to what happens. You've got angles inside a quadrilateral add up to 360. If you add all four of those up. In a triangle, they add up to 180. We know that. But what happens is when you add them up on the outside, if you go around, we know that each of these is a linear pair. Well, we hadn't said that in a while. So we're interested in what each of these are and what they're going to add up to. And just for time's sake, instead of us having to go in through and do the subtraction, if you do 180 minus 71, you get 109 here. Up here, 180 minus 124 is 56. 76 plus 104, or 180 minus 76, I should say it that way. 180 minus 89 is 91. Now here's the interesting one. If you take 109 plus, usually I don't put the degrees if I'm adding a bunch of numbers till I get my answer, plus 56 plus 124 plus 91. Okay, 10, 11, 9, 20, carry 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Somewhere I did something wrong. Let's see, 10, 22, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. What am I doing? Is that my right numbers? Let me make sure I've got them copied down right. It's 109, 56, 104, 104. That's where I was coming up 20 more. Thank you. There it is, because now it's 6, carry 1, and you get 360 degrees. Okay? A quadrilateral has 360 inside, and it has 360 outside. Now look at the triangle. On the outside, if this is 79, this one is 101. This one is, I can't read that. Is that 62? It's 119 on the outside. I guess that's a 62. This one is 40. Is that just a 40? So this one is a 140.
Did you say the 60 was a 61?
Okay, is this not a 61 degree right here?
61.
Yeah, 61 and 119. Okay. Yeah, I may have. So now when you add 119 plus 101 plus 140, you get 9, 10, carry 1, you get 360 degrees. So on any of these figures, if you take this hexagon over here and extend the sides to 1 on each angle, each one of them is going to be 60 because the inside's 120. We just figured that out. And that's going to be 60 times 6, which is 360. This is the very important rule. The sum, S-U-M sum, of the measures of all exterior, I'm just going to say of exterior. I don't like that all because that sounds like 2 at each one of them. Of one exterior each one. So we're just going to the measures of exterior angles of any, this don't even have to be regular. These are not regular. Of any polygon is always 360 degrees. And I'm underlining that and put an exclamation point. That is an easy rule and people forget it all the time. So no matter what the shape of your figure, and what's inside, which is so weird. Like right here, a 27 gone is going to have 4,500 inside, but it's going to have 360 on the outside. A 20 gone is going to have 3,240 on the inside. It's going to have 360 on the outside. So now this one's got a little bit of algebra to it, so you got a lot to digest today. Now what color is this one? Yellow, the bright yellow one. Okay. And I know I did one. See if it's right here. No, I don't see it. I thought I did my own yellow. Oh, this is it. At the exterior angle, that's it, isn't it? And I'm going to put it right here because there's no way we can get it in there. Now, this is where it gets a little messy. So you got, like I said, y'all are good guys, but you got a lot to digest today. Now, look, if the exterior angle, exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 9 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? Okay, now think about what it's saying. We know that, let's see, what do we have on our formula? So the sum is always going to be 360. So I know that if there's 360 degrees, we can just actually do it right. Well, I'm going to do it like this. If there's 360 degrees on the outside, and if I divide by 9 degrees, because what it's saying is this figure has got 360 degrees on the outside total, and then one of them has 9 degrees. And I want to know how many sides does it have. Well, if you divide 360 by 9, then you get 40 sides. Because 9 goes into 360 40 times. So you're really going to have to read the problem. And when you come to ask me about it, I'm going to say, are you inside or outside? Are you doing the total or are you doing the individual? So you have to watch that. If the interior, now this is going back to the n minus 2 times 180, and then it's talking about one of them, one angle, divided by n, measures 108 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? We need to know what n is. Now watch what we're going to do. Let's draw an arrow like this. I'm going to split that. So n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n equals, and I'm actually going to take the degrees off till I don't think I need it because we're actually just finding sides, so I don't even need that degrees, is 108. Now go ahead and put a 1 under that. Okay, do you see this as a proportion? Okay, I'm going to do these two first. So I've got n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 108 times n. Now we're going to distribute. 180n minus 360 equals 108n. When you have n's on both sides, but you don't have constants on both sides, you want to move this n. So we need to do minus 180n minus 180n. I know you don't want to move that one, but you need to because look, it's going to leave you negative 360 equals, and 108 minus 180 is negative 72n. Divide by negative 72, and you get n is equal to 5, and n stands for 5 sides. Now, I told you how a lot. You got a lot to digest, and the cleaning bell's fixing to ring. So get all that written down. I do need to check it Thursday. Wednesday. I know that you will struggle with some of them. That's okay. That'll give you some time. And because next Monday is Martin Luther King Day, everything gets moved out of date. So like, well, anyway, the dates are up, or what I had up there are updated, but let's see, next Monday would normally be, y'all are gold today, so it'll be next blue, but blue wouldn't be till Tuesday. So we're out of school on Monday, you won't be here Tuesday, and then Wednesday, so that's where you get your extra day in there, Cam. N is equal to 5 sides. Okay, go put your geometry up, leave it face up, spread out, and I'll have to go get you a box of paper towels. Carter, when you get your desk cleared off, go get the spray, and I'll get the paper towels for you.